So this is a Toyota Camry. I will confirm you the year model, but as you guys can see right there, it has the check engine light on, and this one is hybrid. So right now we have the engine powering up the battery, as you can see right there. I'll just turn it on. And the strangest part, this engine is making some noise which I'm not liking. So let's go ahead and check which is the error that is coming up. As I said to you guys, I would confirm the year of this model, which was a 2011 Toyota Camry hybrid. And at this moment we were about to perform a health scan in order to identify which type of the issues that we actually did on the car. And this is just a fast forwarding of the process of scanning the vehicle, which ended up with us confirming the error that was logged on the computer. So after checking the errors that were logged on the computer, you can see that we had the P261B engine coolant pump control malfunction. So as this vehicle has an electrical water pump, that was our next guess on what's going on with the vehicle. So for that we tried to monitor some of the values using the data stream function. As you can see, we are monitoring the coolant temp, the engine speed, the vehicle speed, and the electrical water pump speed, and the actual electrical water pump speed. You can see that the temperature is rising, and because the engine speed it's working. And what we were waiting for was to the ECU send signal to the water pump in order to start recirculating the coolant. So at that point we were at 90 degrees of the 90 degrees of the coolant temperature, and you can see that the ECU sent a signal to the pump to actually rotate and at 3400 rpm, but you can definitely see that the actual speed it's not coming up, which mentioned that the sensor that's reading the speed of the electrical pump it's not showing result. Another thing that you can tell manually is just to hold the radiator pipes. You will feel that the lower one still a little bit colder comparing to the upper one. I mean, this one is hot while that one is cold, and the pipes are really hot. That is one of the issues also related with that problem. So folks, we do now have at least a clue where we can start digging more on this issue, which is related with the water pump. So this has an electric water pump, and when it fails, it's used to throw this type of problem. So the next step will be to dismantle the water pump and see what we can do about it. So yeah folks, that is our first diagnosis on this vehicle. So I will update you shortly once we source out the water pump and do the wall repair. So keep you updated. See you soon.